Hello everyone. In this session we will see how to set unit limit, then drafting settings and then basic drawing tools. Let's see this in software. First of all, set units. For unit setting, enter view and here we can see the drawing units window is open. Here uh, type is decimal. Here we can change the limit which you want. Precision also can be changed. Then OK, and for a limit setting, enter limit 0, 0, enter, and second unit is whatever you want you can enter. Now limit and unit has set. Now drafting settings. Here we can see these are the drafting settings. Here is grid mode. Grid can be on or off. If you want to off, click here. Then this is snap mode. Ortho mode. When ortho mode is on, we can draw the lines at 90 degrees only. This is polar tracking. Polar tracking means we can draw the lines at different degrees angle. Polar object snap tracking. This is object snap. Show annotation objects. Here grid, ortho mode, object snap tracking, object snap and show annotation objects. These tools are activated. Now we will see the drawing tools. Basic drawing tools. First is line. Line command. By taking line, we can draw lines at various lengths. For removing the command, press escape. Second is polyline. Polyline is a connected line set. Next, circles. There are different types of circles. This is center radius circle. Center diameter. You can enter the diameter of circle. 2-point circle by selecting 2 points. 3-point circle. 3 points are required to specify. Then tan radius. Now enter the radius. Next is tan. Okay, these are the types of circles. Now arcs. Arcs are also same as circle types. 3-point arc. Start in radius. Then continue. Continue arc is it continues the before drawn arc. Okay.